Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you are interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to show you how to replace a drum and reset the drum counter on a Brother HL-6050 printer. It's a pretty simple process. The first thing you're going to do is open the front door. After that, we're going to remove the toner and drum. They're going to come out as one piece. Then we need to separate the toner from the drum. So to do that, there's a little blue tab on the side of the drum. Press down on that little blue tab. You're going to be able to lift and separate the toner from the drum. We'll set our old one off to the side here. We have our new Onyx brand drum. Inside of every Onyx brand drum, there are written instructions on how to replace the drum. Once we have the new drum ready to go, we're going to reinstall the toner into the drum. You feel it click into place. After that, there's a little blue tab at the top of the drum. You're going to want to slide that across the full length of the drum about 2 or 3 times, making sure that it ends in the same place that it starts, and there will be 2 little arrows pointing at each other to remind you where that was. We're going to replace the toner and drum back into the printer, making sure that's pressed firmly back inside. We're going to leave the front door open. We're going to press and hold the go button for about 4 seconds. On the screen it'll say replace drum. Let go. Close the door, and just like that you're back up and printing.